Hey traders, this is the trade of the week idea. And there's a disclaimer, I'm not going to read it, but there it is. Okay. So this is not a trade signal. We've discussed this at length in the live room. And this video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. All trade ideas are for educational purposes only. So let me run over here to the charts, and our trade idea is here on the British pound. Before I go there, I want to show you the dollar index. So you can see you're having a breakout here, the dollar index to the downside. You can see MACD is headed this way. There's the breakout right there. So it appears that this is going to break out at least down to the square up for the bounce, okay? Now, that will negate a fifth wave on the dollar index, all right? So what does that mean? That means that the pound should buy. And as you can see, they're trying to do that already here. And we basically got, basically a pretty much a sideways move here. So you got a flag pattern in play right there with the first notion that the breakout has occurred. And we're looking for this target right up here. Now, that's based on the ATR that started last night at 5 o'clock. Okay. But, it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock New York time right now. So in another hour, we're going to get a new ATR, and the ATR of the pound dollar is 107. Oops, sorry, is 117 pips right there. So with 100, come on, clear, be done with that. Oh, there we go. 117 pips. All right. So let's just make an assumption here that it's about 117 pips and that the currency isn't going to move more than what it's already at right now. So if we add 117 pips to where it is right now, you can see the new target is going to be all the way up here and a little higher than 40.50. Okay. So that's a pretty significant amount of pips there in front of us here. It's 118 from there. All right. So trade one is here. You need a break hook and go. Trade two is here, and you might be able to get two positions on in there. And then trade three is right there. And of course, you would hold for the target, which is going to be 40.65, which is the fib. So, will this happen? I don't know if it's going to happen, but right now the chart says it can do it. MACD, of course, is already pointing the way. So you'd be looking at that opportunity right there. So there you go. Hope that helps you. Hope if it happens, you get it. And we'll talk with you soon.